Oh yeah, it's the time of year again. 4 p.m. No wait, it's not right. I mean, it's Christmas time, so let's get howing. Yeah. This is a quick Christmas type dessert. Ingredients acquired. Take a pear. Fill it. And remove the core. Take some maple syrup there. And mix in some cinnamon. Some cranberry sauce, of course. It gives it the Christmas taste. Some crushed blueberries. A sprinkle of brown sugar. Mix it well. Cover the pear in the syrup. And bake it in the oven for about like 30 minutes. Remove that there. Add it to the plate. More berries. Top with more Christmas syrup. And a scoop of cream. Make it creamy. Yeah. Sprinkle with nuts. Make sure there are no squirrels around. But they try to steal them all. And there you go. The Cookinator's Christmas dessert. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy Safe New Year.
Yeah, tasty recipes so you can chow. With the Cookinator on Cook It Now. Like, comment, subscribe today to be notified and stay up to date with delicious recipes and a fun twist. Cooking Now is coming right up the list. Pancakes, pies, pizza, lasagna, all awesome recipes brought to you with the Cookinator on Cook It Now. Tasty recipes so you can chow. Like, comment, subscribe today to be notified and stay up to date. Yeah.
Like it? Leave a comment, thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe.